Still scrolling TikTok while your money sleeps? Here are 3 beginner-friendly investing apps that help your money grow, even if you start with just $1. Clean interface, 0 commissions, and perfect if you're just dipping your toes into stocks and ETFs. Plus, you get a free stock just for signing up. It's a bit more traditional, but perfect for those who want automatic investing, strong customer support, and access to retirement accounts like Roth IRAs. Third, Webull. If you like a bit more data and analysis, Webull gives you tools like candlestick charts and after-hours trading, all with 0 commission. To recap, Robinhood, super simple, fast setup. Fidelity, long-term investing and retirement friendly. Webull, powerful tools, still no fees. Pick the one that fits your style. And remember, starting is more important than being perfect. Even $10 a week can grow into thousands over time. Start small, stay consistent. Subscribe for more no-fluff investing tips. Your future self will thank you.